All right, guys, so today we're going to be going over our kind of final budget review of the project in Sarasota, which last week I had a heart attack on. So this is we already cut out what, $600,000 worth of stuff, probably, you know. It's still a big number, but the reality of it is that you know, we figured out, okay, what do we absolutely need? What do we need to, like, you know, what are things that we can, like, you know, go forward without? Today I'm here with Todd and Roy, and they are our general contractors for with Peace River Construction, and they're gonna be the ones handling our project in Sarasota.
This is everything that's been submitted to Sarasota County, which it is going through, by the way.
Is it?
Yes, it's trickling through. Roy, you're up on where it's at, right? Fire safety plan, life safety plan. It shows you where all your exits are, all your signs, and how many feet, your distance of travel from the farthest point. So in the back corner of this room, you can't be more than 75 feet of travel. Bathrooms, all the ADA bathrooms, all the grab bars, toilet paper holders, paper towel dispensers, concrete masonry. Plumbing plan shows locations where everything's got to be. All this stuff as they come in. So we solicit for 3 bids. Some we get, some we don't.
So then it really comes down to the shell that I'm working with for that franchisee, and if it's just a wide open shell, you know, then, you know, can we get construction costs to like $500,000 to $700,000, you know?
Right.
Is I think we can do the custom like carpentry, and like the wood for that like could all come in around 100 grand.
Right.
You know what I mean?
I wish I had 2 months to price this, because I would not be on the stress level right now.
I'm just banking on the location. This is for me. This is 100% a location play. Yeah. I just believe in that location. Yeah. So I was trying to ask myself, am I doing it for like less than what it would take to just build a new one?
Oh, I know.
Am I? Yeah. What do you think?
No, it's still less than doing a new one.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay.
Artificial grass wall material.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
So I gave you an allowance of $1,000 for the activity wall and the 2 high tide walls, supply and install.
Yeah.
These are your bath accessories. $42,700.
Like toilets and sinks.
No. Grab bars, toilet paper holder dispensers, the mirrors, all the ADA signs.
That's 42 grand. Does that seem like a lot?
Well, it is when you have 10 bathrooms.
Yeah.
10 bathrooms and you got 10 grab bars and they're $117 a piece.
Price escalation?
Price escalation clause is if things get really stupid, which now they're going down.
Yeah.
The prices happen to change. This is a figure that may not ever happen. The price I'm giving you tomorrow was good last week.
Yesterday's price is not today's price.
Right. I got it.
So
2.19.
that's where we're at.
2.19. Great.
Doesn't have a good ring to it, I know.
All right, so we just finished a meeting with Todd and Roy at Peace River Construction, and we're in the kind of final budget phases of construction, which I gotta tell you, this is exactly why it makes sense to go with a franchise network. And the reason why is because when you have a franchise partner in this process, is you're not alone. Everything that we just went through today, we've already gone through it and already had to like deal with the heartache of the figuring out what do we eliminate, what do we keep. This way, when you buy a franchise, you already have everything you need. It's plug and play. You got guardrails, like, you know, on the low side, expect this. On the high side, expect that. And we've already gone through the headache and the heartache to figure that out for you, so you don't have to figure it out on your own. Because what's gonna happen is you're gonna go over budget. And when you go over budget, you may not have the capital. You may not have the reserves to finish the project, and then you might be out of business before you even start. And this is exactly why you need to go to ActivAge Care/franchise so you can learn how to open up your own ActivAge in a city near you. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.